Hi guys, today we are going to read a wonderful story. So I guess time to make a circle. Make a circle big, 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 big. Make a circle small, small, small. Hello, hello, hello. Make a circle round and round, round and round, round and round. Make a circle round and round. Hello, hello, hello. Make a circle up, 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 down, 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 up, up, up. Make a circle down, down, down. Now sit down. Okay. Are you ready? We want to talk about the cars. Oh, look at this. We have a bus. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheel on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The cow on the bus say moo, 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 moo. The cow on the bus say moo, 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 all through the town. The pig on the bus say oink, 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 oink. The pig on the bus say oink, 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 all through the town. The sheep on the bus say ma, 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 ma. The sheep on the bus say ma, 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 all through the town. Okay, are you ready to start our story? Okay, look at this. This is our story. Time for school, little blue truck. Okay. Horn went beep, engine poured. Friendliest sound you ever heard. Little blue truck came down the road early one morning with good friend Toad. Little blue truck called beep beep hi to a big bright school bus passing by. What a wonderful bus, all shiny and yellow. She stopped and smiled. Hi, little Flo. Inside, everyone sat in a row. They waved out the window to a blue below. Little ducks called, quick, there is school today. Little goat said, Ma. Little horse said, no. Lamb said, lamb. Chick, calf, called, ba, peep, moo. We are talking to the bus. We are taking the bus to school, little blue. What a wonderful job, said little blue. I wish I were school bus too. You are a good little truck, the school bus said, but this job needs a bus instead. I'm shiny blue. I'm long and wide, with lots of windows and sit inside. As the bus drove off, Blue had her said, mustn't be late for school today. Down the road went little Truck, still wishing he were a school bus too. They were almost home when Blue said, Toad, that's Piggy crying by the road. Oh, look at the piggy. Oink, oink, I'm late. I missed the bus. I overslept. Beep, beep, don't cry, said Little Blue. Climb in, let's see. What can I do? By now the bus is way ahead. We will take another way instead. Okay. Blue made a turn and left the road. Hang on, Piggy, hang on, Toad. I know a path right through this wood. I will get there like a school bus should. He passed through different jungle paths and passed through paths full of water holes. And through the woods, what a bumpy ride. Then there was the road on the other side. Oink, yellow piggy, you did it, Blue. I see the school and the school bus too. Beep, said Blue. It wasn't hard, and he drove right into a school bus yard. The school bus stared and blinked her eyes. Look like this job, it's just your size. You are not big, not yellow, not long and wide, but you had room for a friend inside. You did this job in your very own way. We needed a tough little truck today. Everybody cheers. Good job, Blue. Okay, I think you enjoy it. Yes? Okay. Look at this. How many fingers do you have on just one hand? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Today, 5 little fingers will be turning into race car as we do a finger play. Okay. One little car drove under sky so blue. He pulled up by another, and then there were two. Two little cars went zooming around a tree. They went over a hill and there were three little cars with their pedals. So the floor, they were racing oh so fast when they are sped to the number 4. Four race cars cruising on a zippy highway track. They all come to a stop when they met with number 5. Okay, I think it's time to say goodbye. Can you say bye? Bye. Can you say so long? So long. Now we are friend. Now we are friend. Now we are friend. I love you. I love you. I can't wait until we meet again. I can't wait until we meet again. Bye.